Are those your boots? They about to lose some boots. Tell him his boots are right here too, bro. Oh, oh, oh. He's looking for the key. Whoa. He's looking for the key. Dude, this car's got toilet paper on the front bumper. It's fucking hot, bro. Easy, easy, bro. Hey! Never do that, bro. I will. I'm taking a lap. No rush. Oh, feels so... No, just take a lap. Go around one more time. Oh, we might have to go around. Oh, shit. We got people up here. Totally not following the law. Oh, bro. Alright, I don't remember how to get the fuck out of Pismo, so. Alright. I forgot which way. I think we got everybody. Whoever's not here, raise your hand. Alright. Can't we? Yeah, but oh, this place sells bitchin' jerky. You guys didn't make it? Everybody came. Everybody came through, right? Yeah, but did we lose anybody at that stop sign? That's what I'm wondering, bro. What the fuck? Okay, dude, who's leading this shit, bro? Oh god, Jesus, dude. Okay. All right, let's start remembering we got a line of people behind us. Isaiah, just because you lost your shoes, you don't gotta prove anything now. Somewhat, yeah. I've been on that fucking slow ass bike all day, bro. It's so pretty. Keep going. Yeah, straight. 203. Right here. Left. Oh, right here? Okay. A dip, bro, not stop, motherfucker. Jeez. Huh? Let me squeeze it. Whoa. Oh my god. Oh dude, we just lost you. We just lost you guys. There's stoplights, so just remember, we gotta fit through. Just a couple in the back here, chilling. God, dude, my mom's calling, dude. I'm like, hello? You want a clove? Alright, we're going. Oh God. Oh, okay. Alright. We can't just cut like that, bro. We'll just pile in. Okay. Is there parking? Is there parking?
That's where we park, but I don't
Oh, right here? Fuck, dude, this is good enough. I just gotta make sure I'm not in a divot. Oh, oh, I'm ready. God damn it. None. Chilling. Chilling, bro. Ow. What the? No way. Yeah? Nice, dude. Hell yeah, bro. He's got him, bro. Someone's smoking outside the restaurant. I told you, dude. Oh, let's go film it, dude. Oh, they're gone. Alright, dude. Oh, yeah. I'm thinking. Oh, dude. Want to go riding, meet him around? Yeah. We're going right? Yeah. Wait, what? Okay, I'm not pulling out until we know where we're going, because we're going to run into each other. We're going left or right? See, okay, figure it out then. Okay, we're gonna sit here. Half are saying right and half are saying left, dude. We're gonna have a collision. Wait. Oh my God, dude. I don't know. I'm having issues today with my balls, bro. Whoa. No, it's not all right. Huh? I'm trying to get my shit straight. My first time, dude, on a Beamer, dude. It's semi-boner-ish, for sure. Wait, what's going on here? Is this a stop or what? Is that a one-way? I don't care. Woo, shit. Oh, nice, dude. Yeah, dude. I found my next bike, motherfucker! It feels fucking good, dude. Everything feels good compared to my blade, bro. God damn, bro. It's a little torquey, dude. It's got a little step in its bed, bro. Got a little step in its bed. Oh yeah, dude. I like this bike, dude. See, why doesn't my fucking bike feel like this, dude? Everything's just fucking smooth, dude. Oh, I felt like I had a ghost gear, dude. Oh yeah, dude. Too easy, bro. It's too easy to go fast on this motherfucker, bro.